Welcome to a hands-on review of the unreleased Pixel 9 Pro XL in all its glory. A Ukrainian YouTuber has managed to get his hands on the new Pixel device, and this video provides a detailed look at the flagship model, lasting for 19 minutes. It's possible that by the time of the official announcement on August 13th, there will be little left to unveil. The phone looks sharp from every angle. Interestingly, Google seems to have taken a page out of Apple's book with flat sides. The camera bump on the back stands out like a little island, showcasing the device's premium design. The YouTuber even compared it side by side with the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Pixel 8 Pro, showing that the Pixel 9 Pro XL is taller than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but not as tall as the S24 Ultra. It's clear that the Pixel 9 Pro XL is making quite an impression next to its predecessor, the Pixel 8 Pro. The design of the Pixel 9 Pro XL is definitely reminiscent of the iPhone 14 and 15 in terms of shape, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. We all appreciate a phone that feels satisfying to hold, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL seems to promise just that. As for the front of the phone, it remains a mystery. The software features and display specs are still under wraps, adding to the excitement for the August 13 launch event. The new Tensor G4 chipset is said to be about 15% faster than the G3, though it still falls behind the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. However, Google has managed to significantly improve battery life, despite retaining the same 5,500 mAh capacity. The main attraction of Pixel phones has always been their cameras, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL doesn't disappoint. It features an impressive 50-megapixel main lens, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 48-megapixel 5x periscope lens. The front-facing camera has also seen a major upgrade, jumping from 10.5 megapixels to a whopping 42 megapixels. Despite some deja vu with the camera specs, we're hopeful that the camera optimizations will shine in the 9 Pro XL model. We've also got our hands on the official marketing materials for the Pixel 9 series, revealing exciting new software features. The Pixel 9 series will focus heavily on AI, including the new Gemini AI features. Additionally, Google will introduce the Pixel Satellite SOS feature, similar to Apple's version. We're eager to learn more about these new additions at the launch event. Remember, the launch event is on August 13th, where we'll see the entire Pixel 9 series, including the 9 Pro Fold. What are your thoughts on the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Let us know in the comments. If you're excited about this new release, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.